everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY with Indrani. So today we are going to create a beautiful and vibrant painting of Lord Ganesha, the god of wisdom, creativity and new beginnings. Today I am using Dome's watercolor cakes, which is very affordable and good for beginners. So I have already started the coloring. I haven't recorded the drawing session. It's very easy drawing. You can recreate this by just seeing the final picture now. So I am doing all the base color. For the body I am using warm tones, orange, yellow and little bit of red. Why red? Because to give orange a little more vibrant look. After that I am doing the lotus with pink color. I have added some lotus just to give it a aesthetic look. Ganesha is holding a sitar, or you can say veena. Both are similar but little different. I am giving brown color to the sitar, and all the colors I am using only with one brush. You can see this is brush size number 4, a very fine brush, because my drawing is small. Whenever you are doing any smaller drawings, you have to use a very small fine brush. For the dhoti I have used vibrant red color. Now the leaves I am using light green color. All the colors are already in my palette, so I don't have to make and mix any color. For the background I am using a very vibrant cobalt blue color. So at last I am already done with the base color. Now I am giving the final strokes with black, white, little bit of highlights with white color, doing the red alta, bindi, tilak, everything. This has to be done when your drawing is completely dried up, so that you can do all the detailing very smoothly. See how I am doing the black strokes. Is it satisfying or not? If you like this drawing, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such tutorials every day. I am coming up with more interesting drawings after this. So, ta-ta!